Welcome to BCOM 400, Global Business Communication. This course has been totally redone and is unlike any other previous BCOM 400 course. Here on the screen, on the right-hand side, you can see the topics for Part 1 of this course. We're going to look at what it means when we say intercultural communications and everything that involves, such as being sensitive to another culture and how they approach things. I'll bring to the table my experience of living overseas for 20 plus years. We'll discuss the competencies of cross-cultural business communication. We'll go into depth about what's called the LOI, or ladder of inference, beginning with facts, your decision of what the facts really are, how you interpret them, the assumptions you make, and the beliefs or conclusions you come to. We'll examine mental models. Why do we behave the way we do in a global business environment? We'll look at the work of this individual, Dr. Milton Bennett, and his model of intercultural sensitivity. We'll wrap up Part 1 by being cultural detectives. Part 2 moves into another section, virtual teamwork. We're going to look at that first virtual team meeting, virtual team norms, and virtual team cultural profiles. We'll look at all the issues that come about by working in virtual teams. If you worked on a virtual team, you'll have a lot to bring to the table to share. And you'll work with some case studies from my particular career. So, these are the topics that we're going to be covering together. I look forward to the course as we kick off. Thank you.